Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting once a week or twice a week. But in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to cut a full cycle sleeve. Please, if you are new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you notify whenever I upload. Do like and share. I also like to see your comments in the comment section below. Let's start. Now, this is the fabric I'm going to use for the tutorials. I map out 15, the width I map out 15 inches this way. I map out 15 inches. Then the length I map out 31 inches. The sleeve length I'm going to use 13 inches for the sleeve. Now my fabric is I folded it into two this way. You fold it this way. Now you're going to fold it into four because it's a full cycle flare. You are going to do it into 4 equal parts. After folding it this way, we are going to have 4 layers. This is the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth layers. Now this is how we're going to do it. Now we are going to start by negating our armhole measurement. Our armhole measurement is 18 inches. Now we are going to measure 18 inches divided by 2.68. It's going to give us 2.8. Now, first of all, we're going to get our sleeve length, which is 13 inches. Here is the starting point. Here is our 13 inches. Before using the 6.8, we are going to get our full sleeve length, which is 13 inches. These are 13 inches. We are going to take it round. Take it round this way from the starting point. Make sure that you are getting the starting point so that your cycle will be a full cycle. This way. Now we're going to connect our cycle. This is our full cycle. Now we're going to cut it out this way. Now this is how our cycle flare will be. Then we'll open it up this way. That's a full cycle. Now here is our center of the cycle. Yeah, here is the center of our cycle. Now here is the midpoint. Here is another midpoint. Here is another midpoint. Now we are going to keep it this way. Open it up this way. This is the center, and this is another center. Now the armhole that we divided earlier, which gave us 2.8, we are going to start here from the center point here. We're going to measure 2.8, which is here. This is 2.5, this is 2.7, 2.8 should be around this place here. Now from here now, we're going to measure 2.8 round. From here, we're going to get our 2.8 here. Come down this way, measure our 2.8 here. From here now, we're going to measure our 2.8 round in order to get our full measurement, our accurate measurement. This is 2.8 here. And take it this way. These are 2.8 here. Go around this way. This way. Now we are going to cut it out from here. Cut it around this way. Now these are full cycle sleeve. This is how it will be. Then when you fix it in the this is how it will look like. When you fix it up, this is how it will look. All this place will be equal. From this side will be at the shoulder side, while this side will be at the armhole side, at the armpit side. This side will be at the down part. Do give it a try. Please do subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload. Also, I would like to see your comments, your requests, your questions in the comment section below. Do give it a try. You see, it's very simple. And also, when you cut it or when you use it on your client's dress, any of your client that requested you to attach a sleeve of cycle flare this way, you see that it will be more relaxed than cutting it around this way. One side, the shoulder side will be more than the armpit side. But when you cut it this way, everything will be equal. Everything will be equal this way. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.